Superior is garbage roads, and I don't have a way of seeing if it's recording, so hopefully it's recording. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Dad Mods channel. It's been a minute. It has been a minute. I feel like I'm starting off each one of these videos with the same intro of, I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, and things have been tricky and busy and all that kind of stuff, and I couldn't be more accurate still. But here we are. I'm going to keep this thing going as long as I can because I know we're all having fun, and clearly a lot of you guys are actually enjoying the videos that I put out, and that gives me a lot of satisfaction. So let's talk a little bit about what we got going on today. We have a blinking yellow light. That's a new one. So I upgraded some suspension. We got some new goodies underneath this thing. You guys remember last year, this thing had a very sloppy suspension in it. It bounced all over the place. There was very little control over the suspension movement. You'd get terrible dives. You'd get, you know, the whole thing, it looked like it's going to tip over. It tucked the tire like it was airbagged or something. It was very sloppy, and it was very blown out, except for the back, which is ironic because that's like, I guess if I had to pick an area for the shocks to be blown out, I guess I'd rather in the back than the front. You know, you got to be able to turn, and obviously it was having some trouble. So anyway, she's completely upgraded underneath it. As you guys have seen in a recent video, I rebuilt all of the control arms and put in a few upgrades, and a video that will be coming out very soon, I'm still trying to wrap up the editing on that one, is I installed some coilovers in this thing. A little bit of secret sauce that's underneath it. We'll talk in significant details in that video about exactly which components I went with. We'll say that they're coilovers, and they're from a little brand named Viking. It's very exciting. It handles amazing. So far, a little bit of driving that I've been able to do. It's very consistent. It's very accurate. It's literally the best coilovers I think I've ever had on a car, and I modified every single suspension of every vehicle I own, literally, even my daily drivers. And I'll say that these are the best coilovers I've ever seen. So I'm really excited to get them out on the track and see what that equates to in the performance department. I suspect it's going to be, I'm going to shave a little bit of time off today. So anyways, guys, thanks very much for tuning in. Let's go ahead and get out to Black River Motorsports Park, and let's shoot some action. Need to grease the door. It's a good day, guys. Well, the coilovers worked out amazing. Go figure. Put quality suspension in and you start cutting time off. So it was easily the best day I've had in a very long time. Both in racing and just good vibes today. So pretty stoked about that. Still got a chirp. Still got a little bit of a chirp up front, but I'll figure that out. Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming.
Hey, thanks for hosting, man. Yeah, thanks as always.
Do it again next month.
Yeah. All right, boys.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, power cruise next weekend?
No.
No?
No power cruise for me. I don't think.
Nah, I'm gonna shit.
I don't think. So, to recap things, we've got the Viking coilovers, which worked amazing. I do need to adjust the valving a little bit because I was still getting like a little bit of understeer, which part of it is technique. You know, it's obviously one of the things, you put too fast a steering input in, you're sloppy, coming in too fast, your weight's imbalanced for the corner. A lot of things that can go into it. Understeer isn't just your car, it's obviously technique too, so it's finding that fine line in there. But it was good, guys. It's really good. Great day. So yeah, where we go from here, we're just gonna do a little bit of like light adjustments. We're gonna stiffen it up a little bit more for the next time. But besides that, I mean, it's just like trying to keep the car alive. Probably change the oil again after this. And I don't know, just get ready for the next one. Just so stoked. I never thought that I would love an Fbody so much, but this car is just awesome. It really puts a smile on your face driving it. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Expect to see the detailed video specifically about the coilovers coming out soon enough. I'm gonna try not to let that get too delayed.